Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Lena.
And I'm Paul. Today we're talking about something that can really help your communication, giving compliments in English.
Yes! Compliments make people feel good. They show kindness, connection, and confidence.
Exactly. And learning how to give them naturally in English can make your conversations smoother, especially with native speakers.
Some learners say, I don't know how to say something nice without sounding fake. Don't worry. We'll help you with that today.
So grab your notebook or just relax and listen. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to compliment someone's looks, work, ideas, personality, and more.
Let's get started.
So, Lena, what makes a good compliment?
I'd say 3 things. It should be honest, specific, and kind.
That's good. For example, instead of saying, you're nice, you can say, you're always so patient when you explain things.
Right. That feels more personal. It shows you notice something real,
A bad compliment might be too general or even sound sarcastic.
like if someone says, wow, you actually look good today. That sounds rude.
Yeah, avoid that one.
When you compliment, focus on the positive, not comparison or surprise.
And keep it short. 1 or 2 sentences are enough.
Here's a tip. Say what you like and why. For example, I love your presentation. It was really clear.
That why makes your compliment powerful.
Let's start with something simple. Looks. How to compliment someone's appearance.
Important note, only do this when it's appropriate. Compliments on looks can be friendly, but also personal.
Exactly. Safe examples are about clothes, hairstyle, or smile. Like, I love your jacket. Your haircut looks great. You have a really warm smile.
I like that. Short, friendly, and comfortable.
You can also compliment style. You always dress so well. Or effort. You look really fresh today.
Did you sleep well?
But avoid comments about body shape or too personal things.
Yes. Say things that anyone could hear without feeling uncomfortable.
In English culture, compliments on clothes or hair are normal, especially among friends or coworkers.
Just remember, say it naturally, not like you memorized a phrase. Smile when you say it. Now let's talk about complimenting someone's skills or work. This is great for the workplace or school. Example, you did a great job on that report. Or, your presentation was really interesting.
I also like, I'm impressed by your attention to detail.
Or, you always make things easy to understand. That one's perfect for teachers or coworkers.
When someone helps you, say, thanks for explaining that. You're really good at teaching.
The word really makes your compliment stronger. You're really talented.
And adding, I appreciate it shows gratitude too.
Just keep your tone natural. In English, tone matters as much as words.
True, if you say it too seriously, it can sound strange. Relax your voice and smile a little. Okay, Paul. Now one of my favorites, complimenting someone's personality.
Yes, it's nice when someone notices who you are, not just what you do.
For example, you're always so positive. You make everyone feel comfortable. You're such a good listener.
That's beautiful. You can also say, I like your sense of humor, or you're very thoughtful.
These are perfect for building friendships or team relationships.
And they're safe to say in most situations, even at work.
Avoid phrases that sound romantic unless you mean it. For example, you're so beautiful might feel too personal at work.
Right? Keep it friendly and respectful.
Here's one more. You always bring good energy. It's simple but very kind.
Okay, we've learned how to give compliments. But what about when someone compliments you?
Good question. Many learners feel shy and don't know what to say.
In English, the best response is usually to accept it. Smile and say, thank you.
Yes. Don't say no, it's nothing. That can sound like you're rejecting their kindness.
You can also add something simple like, thanks, that means a lot.
Or, I'm glad you liked it, if they compliment your work.
For example, your English is really good. Thank you. I've been practicing a lot.
That's natural and confident.
If you want, you can return the compliment, but only if it's true.
For example, thanks. I really like your accent too.
Great balance, polite and friendly.
Let's talk a bit about culture. Compliments can mean different things in different countries.
Exactly. In English-speaking countries like the US, UK, or Canada, people give small compliments often, especially about clothes or effort.
But in some other cultures, compliments are less common or more formal.
So if you're not sure, start with something simple and safe. It's like, nice work. Or, I really enjoyed that.
Americans often say, I love your shoes, or that looks great on you. It's friendly, not romantic.
And in business settings, it's good to compliment effort or creativity, not appearance.
Remember, complimenting too much can sound fake. Use it naturally. 1 or 2 genuine compliments in a conversation is perfect. And always mean what you say. That's universal.
All right, time to practice.
Yes, if you're listening, repeat after us.
You did a great job.
I love your presentation.
You're always so kind.
You have a great sense of humor.
Thanks, that means a lot.
Perfect. Practice these at home or with friends.
Compliments are small, but they create big connections.
Exactly. They make your English sound warm and confident.
So next time you meet someone, try a small compliment and see how it changes the conversation.
That's all for today's episode.
Thanks for joining us, everyone.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and don't forget to spread a little kindness.
See you next time.